What's up, y'all? It's Snakes and Guns. Definitely got my assault rifle. So I just want to show y'all a few of my guns I got. Starting off with my everyday carry, my Glock 19 Gen 5. And my baby right there. Then I also want to show y'all my rifle. So just bear with me, I'm about to pull my baby out. So there go my AK-47. Finally got my baby. 7.62s by 39s. Definitely my baby. Can't wait to actually go shoot it. I'm gonna get some range time with it. But, yep, that's my baby right there. Let me know how y'all feel about the AK-47 in the comments. If you haven't already, like, share, subscribe to the channel. But like I said, a couple of my babies. I'll be showing off a lot more of my guns for my collection. Follow me along this journey, y'all.